Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how you can transfer photos from your phone, from your Samsung device to your PC. So if you want to save them on your PC, if you want to have them here locally on your PC so they're double saved so you don't lose them if your phone gets broken or stolen, then this is a great option. We'll go over two things that you can do to transfer the photos. First of all, we'll use the wired option, and then I'll show you a wireless option as well. I do recommend the wired option. It's easier, works really fast, and just overall better option. So go and grab a USB cable, just a normal USB cable you would charge your phone with the phone charger on one side, the USB on the other side. You want to plug this into your PC, and then on your phone you'll see the options. So you'll swipe down from the top, and then you'll have some options with the file transfer, and you just want to select transfer photos. You could also transfer data or other things, but for now select transfer photos, and now hop onto your PC. Once you've done that on your phone, go to your drive, and then you can see your phone right here. So just select your phone under this PC. You can find your phone right here, and then we can click into the storage. We can go to our pictures, and we can choose different pictures we'd like to transfer. So you can go into any of the files on your phone, any of the photo files on your phone, and you can transfer any of these pictures then onto your PC. So you just click on copy, for example, go to somewhere else on your PC, go to your documents or to your pictures on your PC, and then just right click again and paste the picture you want to copy over there. So pretty easy. Just connect your phone, select you want to transfer the photos, go onto your PC into the file explorer, select your phone, and then you have access to all of these pictures. Next, what you can use is AirDroid. This is a app you can install on your phone and on your PC, so you need to install it on both. So just you can start on your PC, make an account right here, and then you want to sign into the same account on your phone. Then you can see that you have this added device, so you'll have your phone and your PC, and then you will see this transfer screen on your phone. And in this transfer screen, select your desktop and then hit transfer. Now on the bottom right you'll see a picture image, so a file image. You want to select that on the bottom right, click on this image, and then you'll see all of your pictures. You can select the pictures you want to send, the photos you want to send, and then just click on send file. What you can also do is just do this all on your PC. So if you have your phone connected, then you just hop on your PC and you can access all of the files right here under my devices. You can find your phone, and then you can find the different files just like we saw in the file explorer on this AirDroid application. So this is just a wireless option. I do recommend the wired option, that you don't need any third-party app, but you can also use AirDroid if you don't have a USB cable available. And yeah, that's how you can use it. Just connect your devices, sign in onto the same account, and then you're able to transfer the photos. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.